In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a contractor in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the simplest, most reliable path so you can send a payment and have it recorded correctly in your books. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into QuickBooks Online and you're in the right company file. If you use online payments or bank transfers, ensure your payment account is connected and ready to go. From the QuickBooks homepage, look to the main navigation and head into Expenses and Bills. This is your hub for money going out, bills, vendors, and of course, contractors. If you don't see it immediately, it may be tucked in the left-hand menu. The label can vary slightly depending on your region or plan, but the layout is similar. Inside Expenses and Bills, switch to the Contractors area. This tab is designed specifically for non-employee payments, keeping them separate from vendors you bill and standard expenses. If your contractor list is empty, that usually means the person hasn't been added yet or is filtered out. You can always check your filters or add them later, but for now, we'll continue with paying an existing contractor. Next, select Pay Contractors. This opens the payment workflow where you'll enter the details for one or more contractors. Think of this as the checkout screen for your contractor payments. Now fill in the details. Pick the contractor you want to pay, enter the amount due, and choose the account you're paying from. If you have multiple methods available, you can typically select a bank transfer or record a check. Add a payment date so the transaction aligns with your cash flow. If your workflow tracks expenses by category or project, select the appropriate category and, if needed, a class or location. The memo field is great for noting what the payment covers, like an invoice number, time period, or milestone. If you're reimbursing costs, consider attaching receipts so everything stays organized for audits and year-end reporting. For bank transfers, verify the contractor's details are complete. For checks, enter the check number so your register stays accurate. When everything looks right, choose Preview and review the summary. Confirm the payee, amount, payment account, fees if any, estimated delivery time, and the posting date. This is your final chance to catch typos or wrong accounts. If it all checks out, confirm the payment. QuickBooks will submit it and record the transaction so your books reflect the payout immediately. That's it. You went from expenses and bills to contractors, started pay contractors, filled in the details, and previewed and confirmed the payment. Keep your confirmations for your records and you're all set to pay contractors confidently in QuickBooks Online.